This is the story of how Stephen sold his inherited Johnson City, Tennessee home, a near teardown too far gone to fix or safely live in. It was in such bad shape he didn't know what he was going to do with it. Favor Home Solutions made an offer on it anyway, and he didn't have to touch a thing. Here's how it happened. When Stephen inherited a home in Johnson City, Tennessee, he didn't inherit a manageable project. He inherited a problem that had been accumulating for years, a house that had gone well past the point of deferred maintenance and into something closer to structural failure. The roof was compromised. Systems that should have been updated decades ago never were. The deterioration had spread through the bones of the building in ways that made the property not just difficult to sell, but genuinely unsafe to spend time in. There was no version of this story where Stephen moved in, patched a few things, and listed it on the MLS in the spring. The financial reality was equally blunt. The repairs needed to bring the property back to a livable standard, let alone a market-ready one, were far beyond what Stephen could fund out of pocket. He hadn't budgeted to inherit a near teardown. Most people don't. And because the property was in such poor condition, the traditional paths to selling it were effectively closed off. Every conventional route was a dead end. Lenders wouldn't finance a buyer's purchase of a home in that state. No agent was going to produce a conventional offer that would survive an inspection report. The pool of buyers who could actually close without their own cash was essentially zero. And every month the property sat, the carrying costs and the decline continued. What Stephen needed was someone willing to look at the property honestly, make an offer based on what it actually was, and move to close without demanding he first spend money he didn't have. He found that through Favor Home Solutions. They buy distressed and inherited homes across Johnson City and all of Tennessee. Any condition, including structural failure with no repairs required. After he reached out and explained the situation, the inherited property, the condition, the financial constraints, they got to work. From there, it was exactly what he needed. First, Favor Home Solutions made a cash offer based on the home as is, no repair list, no inspection contingencies, no agent commission eating into the proceeds. Then they made an offer on a property almost no one else would have touched. And finally, they closed on a timeline that worked for him, with Stephen never lifting a finger. Here's what Stephen walked away with. The home sold completely as is: compromised roof, failing systems, structural deterioration, and all with nothing to fix. A property almost beyond saving was saved, bought by a buyer equipped to take on the full rehabilitation. And he didn't touch a thing, no repairs, no agent, no waiting. Look at the numbers. $0 spent on repairs far beyond his budget. Zero agent commission off the proceeds. Favor Home Solutions made a fair offer on the home exactly as it stood and closed on his timeline. And a property that looked like a dead end turned out to have an exit. No lender to satisfy on a home in that condition. No agent listing that would die at inspection. No carrying costs mounting month after month. No safety risk hanging over a house he couldn't even occupy. The near teardown that had no conventional solution finally had won. The result: Stephen closed without touching a thing, walked away with cash, and the property that looked like a dead end turned out to have an exit. Exactly the resolution a near teardown rarely finds. Maybe Stephen's situation sounds familiar. We help Tennessee homeowners in all kinds of circumstances. An inherited home too damaged to fix, a near teardown that can't be financed, a property unsafe to live in, repairs simply out of reach, any condition, or simply needing a fast, certain close. If you've inherited a home in Johnson City or anywhere across Tennessee that's too far gone for a conventional sale, Favor Home Solutions can help. As is any condition, no repairs, no agent, a fair cash offer, and a close on your timeline. Reach out today for your free, no-obligation cash offer.